Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another episode of Roofing Reviews. Today I will be unboxing the Rogue Fitness 18-pound, 8-kilogram powder-coated kettlebell. Now, if you watched any of my other reviews, or unboxing videos I should say, I'm sure that they're going to be packaged the same way as the other ones, but we'll see. It could be a little bit different, you never know. Just like the other ones, box inside of a box. Oh well, this one's inside of another box. So I just opened another one of the, wait a minute. No, I'm wrong, sorry. One box. More styrofoam on the top. Let me get it out of here. Styrofoam on the bottom there, wrapped in plastic just like the others were, and there you have it, another beautiful Rogue Fitness kettlebell. Texture's nice on it, not banged up at all that I can tell. Looks good to me. The other reviews I saw people putting up, or the unboxing videos anyways, they were a little dinged up, but I believe that was just from shipping. I got a very large order of these, so they all came on a pallet together. So I'm guessing that's why all of mine come pretty much unscarred. But anyways guys, that is your unboxing of the 8-kilogram, 18-pound Rogue Fitness powder-coated kettlebell. Thanks for watching.